We kill the harmful insects without spoiling nature and soil and any useful insects. So manually and what are the natural pesticides and so what is another method is by using Deepak therapy. So these are the important methods we discussed. How can we control the pests which are harmful to our crop production? Today we are going to discuss about the natural pest controlling methods. Naturally, completely there is no any harmful, there is no any chemicals. Without using any chemicals, naturally how can we control the pests which are harmful to our crop? Generally, farmers use synthetic pesticides like pesticides, insecticides to control pests on crops. There are so many natural pest controlling techniques. So generally, pesticides means what are the farmers nowadays which we are using the form of mono or stuff. These are made by artificial by using chemicals, so that they are called pesticides. By using chemical substances, harmful chemical substances. If you drop any small quantity, it will collapse. If it is insect or microorganism, whatever it may be. So that kind of harmful substances they are using to preparing insecticides by using, they are called pesticides. So what are they? Pesticides and in the form of pesticides and insecticides, so these pesticides are prepared. So what is the pesticides? Pest means which are small size of the insects. Chadaru. Like insects means so if you take a butterfly, grasshopper. So next caterpillar, etc. These all are insects. So nowadays there is a different types of methods naturally controlling. Which methods are followed by our farmers? So nowadays natural controlling, naturally how can we control the pest? So what are the natural methods nowadays farmers are following? Anybody is following natural method in our area? No. There is no time to prepare. So before onsetting of the rain, so they will start and bringing from the market. They are sprinkling on the crop. Nowadays most of the farmers they are not following natural pest controlling methods. Some insects control the harmful insects and they are called friendly insects. Friendly insects means these friendly insects are friends of farmers. Means these what are the insects which are controlling other harmful insects in our field? They are treating like a friends for farmers. Friendly insects. So they are controlling. Next, what are they? Spiders, dragonfly, Chrysola, Myrids, ladybird, beetle, etc. So these are the different types of insects which dragonfly, spiders already know. So Myrids means which are giving light. Next, what is the lady? Bird beetle. So here, so that is. So these type of insects. So all the insects that eat larvae of jacids. So these type of insects, they are eating some other insects which are harming the product. They are killing larva. So what is larva? So first creature which is come out from the egg. First stage, that is larva. So by eating this larva, so automatically they can control total insects. So these insects are eating that harmful insects, larvae and everything. So next thrips and stem borers means making hole. Stem borers ante some insects they are making hole and sucking the juice from the vascular tissue. Xylem and phloem. They are called stem borers. Next some fungi like microorganisms, Trichoderma species. Trichoderma which belongs to fungus. It is also eating other insects, larvae. Next some bacteria like Bacillus thuringiensis. BT, already you know. So nowadays most of the farmers they are using seeds in the form of BT. The name of BT means so it is one kind of bacteria inserting into the seeds. So this is giving immunity power to the seed. If any unwanted insects are attacking on the plant, immediately it is affecting and going to kill. So that is BT. Okay. Artificially we are improving immunity power in the seeds. Already there is a bacteria fossil symbols are there. After particular growth of the plant, if any harmful insect attacking, it is going to die. Why? So already bacillus tuberculosis like bacteria fossils symbols are there in the plant. So in this way, so different types of harmful insects are controlling by these other creatures. These all are capable of destroying pests like stem borers, tobacco, etc. This type of insects which are useful, they are controlling by eating other insects. Okay. So here predatory insects means biological control by natural enemies. Yes, so these are the important insects, how they are controlling others. Predatory organisms. Predatory means which are depending on others for food. So they are eating other insects, but so that other insects are harming our crop. So these insects are controlling the harmful insects. Next, some mixed crops also control some pests and diseases. If you grow different types of crops in the same field, automatically, naturally you can control the harmful insects which are collapsing the crop. And this is after paddy cultivating, black gram, groundnut, etc. So paddy. After paddy, if you grow, so what is black gram and groundnut? What is black gram? Groundnut poly. If you grow like this crop, so automatically next stage there is no effect. So why? Because of if you grow continuously same type of crop, so it is good habitat for going to different types of harmful insects. If you change, that kind of insects are affecting you by other crop if you grow. So that's why if you grow to various types of crops, so year by year, so automatically you can control the diseases. Same type of insects are not living in the same place. When you are changing the crops, automatically they are losing their habitat. How? One kind of insects which are harmful to paddy, that kind of insects are living in the same. But we are growing other crops, automatically it is losing their habitat. How it is losing? So what are the needs it has? So there is no sufficient needs they are getting from the field. That's why they are going to die as well. Automatically by this crops you can control the harmful insects or organisms. Okay. Next, Tangro virus disease on paddy. After cotton cultivating, maize and gingerly prevent gram caterpillars. So for example here, so if you cultivate the cotton, after cultivating the cotton, if you grow maize, maize means donna, gingerly, if you grow this type of crops, so automatically you can control which is harmful to the cotton. What is gram caterpillar like harmful insects you can control by changing the crops. After red ground, cultivating maize and corn prevents spotted bollworm and blight diseases. Yes. If you grow other, what is? After cultivating the red ground, if you cultivate maize and corn means this is preventing the spotted bollworm. Spotted boll bollworm. So you can control the kind of harmful insects by doing this. Okay. So these all are called Akarshaka pantalu. So these are called Akarshaka pantalu. So what are the crops important to grow in this year? Next we have to change that one. Automatically we can get food production, we can get mixed food production, and we can avoid this type of harmful disease. Okay. Do you know why jatoba in cotton fields and marigold in mirchi fields are cultivated? Do you know? So this is the final question. Tomorrow you bring the answer. Correct information about this question. Do you know why jatoba? Jatoba means manga. So from jatoba seeds we are preparing biodiesel. So if you grow this type of crops in cotton field, or marigold means banti, and mirchi fields cultivated. Why? Next, improvement in food production and sustaining soil health as well as environmental protection are the challenges of agriculture practices. When we want to improve, when we are taking the challenges to improve food production, first thing we have to save our natural environment, nature. Don't pollute the nature. Whatever soil also is a nature thing. It's a natural thing. That's why don't collapse. So what are the harmful things we are using? So these are harmful things. So no need to harmful all type of other natural calamities, natural things. Then you can get food production. That is success in the food production. If you take the challenges, farmers should be aware of quality. Next, yes, we are getting good production. I have taken challenge. We get good production. That is not important. What is important here? We have to get